Caption is how to study at ISB free of cost. पहली बात तो ये क्या ये सच है?
There are three broad categories that ISB looks for. Ultimately ये समझ लो ISB को चाहिए क्या?
A lot of people have been asking me these questions. Sir, there are many colleges in India which are giving scholarships as big as 100%, as big as 75%, 50% as well. And ISB is also one of those schools which give 100% scholarships as well. I've got Richa with me. Hi Richa, what's up?
Hey Sumit, all good.
Welcome.
Hi lovely people.
शी इज़ ये भाई बहुत बड़े बड़े आदमी है. मैं इनको कहीं पे कॉन्फ्रेंस में मिलता हूँ तो रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आगे बच्चों को जागरूक करिए. शी इज़ द प्रोग्राम लीड फॉर द इंटायर पीजीबी प्रोग्राम जो आईएसबी का फ्लैगशिप करता धरता प्रोग्राम है. शी इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ एडमिशंस एंड इफ यू अप्लाई थ्रू आईएसबी यू विल बी मीटिंग हर आल्सो इन वन ऑफ द
I would love to be called as a mentor, as a friend, by the way.
Thank you so much Richa for joining in. Let's begin. Richa, पहली बात first thing first, आईएसबी का जो फीस है उस पर बड़े क्वेश्चन आते हैं. हमारे बच्चे डर जाते हैं वो वाला फीस देखने के बाद. एंड पहले तो वो बताओ व्हाट्स द टोटल नंबर आफ्टर ऑल द टैक्सेस एंड एवरीथिंग. दैट नंबर कम्स टू व्हाट? 40 lakh,
Yeah.
38 lakh?
No. So a lot of people ask me 40 lakh, 50 lakh, matlab random numbers, including your accommodation for 1 year on the campus, including your tuition fee, including your GST, everything comes to approximately 38 lakhs. जो आप
38.
additional पड़ेगा, वो अगर आपने जो आपका खाना पीना है, जो आपको लैपटॉप लेना है, that is your personal incidental charges.
Yeah.
But everything else included, even your international exchange program, tuition fee, everything included is 38 lakhs.
Okay, the average package is also going to 34 as per last year.
Yes.
34 lakh,
Average
38
package
लाख
is
रुपीस
34.
दे रहे हैं. 34 लाख रुपए एक साल में वापस आ रहा है. तो यार एक क्विक अपडेट बिफोर यू टॉक अबाउट स्कॉलरशिप्स. जिन लोगों को फीस की दिक्कत होती है ना, इवन इफ यू टेक लोन एंड फाइनेंस एंड स्टफ, इमेजिन दैट इट्स अ 1 year प्रोग्राम. वीजा वीज गोइंग टू एन IIM अहमदाबाद फॉर अ 2 year. सुन लो ध्यान से, आप 2 साल वहाँ पे टाइम इन्वेस्ट करते हो और सपोज करो वहाँ पे आप 25 लाख फीस दे रहे हो, से इट्स IIM अहमदाबाद और इन इंदौर और एन एसपीजे इन बॉम्बे. But here you finish everything in 1 year. You invest 38 lakhs for sure, but average package is 34 lakhs. And you get 1 more year extra to earn also. वहाँ पे आपको 2 साल रुकने पड़ेंगे. समझ, 2 साल के बाद नौकरी लगनी है, यहाँ पे 1 साल के बाद. So ROI यहाँ पे इफेक्टिव रहता है. But any which ways, we are the video caption is how to study at ISB free of cost. पहली बात तो ये क्या ये सच है? कुछ बच्चे ISB के अंदर 100% स्कॉलरशिप के साथ पढ़ रहे हैं. रिचा जी?
Oh yes, absolutely.
What
We
is
have
it?
a couple of students, and I have also sort of done a lot of sessions with them. So they've cracked the merit or the need or the diversity. There are various buckets in which you can pitch your case, and they have got 100% scholarship. So, yeah.
That means I don't pay like anything.
So what you will pay is the tax, because the scholarship is applicable on the tuition fee.
Okay.
So the tax, the GST part of it, which will come to mota moti about 5-6 lakhs, that is something that you'll have to shell out from your pocket.
Okay.
But yeah, the fee part of it is waived off.
Wow, not bad. So when do they apply? Do they apply in round 1 to get more scholarships, round 2 or round 3? Because ISB's got many rounds, as I know.
Yes. ISB's got 3 rounds, yes. So scholarships are applicable for all 3 rounds. However, what is interesting is that तीनों rounds का dynamics is different. In round 1, 100% scholarship is available.
Okay.
In round 2, 75% scholarships are available. Round 3, 50% scholarships are available.
Okay, great.
So if you want to pitch your case for 100%, round 1 is the game for you.
Super. अगर 100% पढ़ना है तो बाकी 75% तो बाकी जाके है.
Round 2 and yeah.
Great. So round 1, what are the timelines and deadlines for that normally?
So round 1 typically happens September. Every year September, mid-September, first week, second week of September.
First week of September, and round 2 is approximately I think December the
Round
first
2
week.
is always first week of December.
This year it's December the 4th.
December 4th, yes.
भाई
The first Sunday of
जो
December.
लोग इस वीडियो को सुन रहे हो अभी 3-4 दिन रह गए, अगर आप अप्लाई करना चाहते हो तो कर सकते हैं. कितना GMAT स्कोर चाहिए होगा, GRE, वो भी मैं बात करता हूँ उसके बारे में. एंड द राउंड 3 इज लेटर ऑन, दैट इज इन द मंथ ऑफ
Which is Jan.
Jan. Okay, that's also quick by the way. Great,
Yeah.
great.
Mid-Jan, end Jan, yes.
What kind of people are normally, what I know from my current students, around 10-12 students have got 100% scholarship sitting inside who at ISB as well. क्या प्रोफाइल रहते हैं नॉर्मली इन बच्चों के, और कैसे लोगों को आप अर्ज करेंगे कि यार गिव इट अ शॉट? That if you're aiming for 100% or a 75%, I think nearly 20-25% of the people have got some kind of scholarship from 75
Yes,
to 50.
that's right. Nearly 20 to 25% of the cohort has scholarships. So
Yeah.
that's huge. And we have increased the number of women's scholarships as well. So the number of women's scholarships also being awarded has grown by almost 100%. So there is huge scholarship buckets available. They're available in 3 broad categories. You can pitch your case in merit based, need based और diversity based. Need is fairly simple. आपका application quality score plus interview quality score जो आपका total profile score बनेगा, that is your merit score. Diversity is fairly simple. if you're coming from जो आपने कहा था diverse niche background, oil and gas से हूँ, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm an actor, I'm an author, I'm a content generator, I'm an influencer. These are all diverse niche profiles. These are diversity scholarship candidates. The third, need-based, we understand that you could be working in an NGO, in a social sector, or you could be working with a PSU, you could be running your own startup. Basically, your family annual income is less than 18 lakhs. In that case, you are eligible for a need-based.
Okay.
You can apply to all three. You will be awarded only one, whichever is your strongest case.
Super.
आपका अगर डाइवर्सिटी स्कोर ज्यादा है तो आपको डाइवर्सिटी मिलेगा, आपका अगर मेरिट स्कोर ज्यादा है तो आपको मेरिट मिलेगा. जिसका भी स्कोर ज्यादा है, that scholarship will be given, but you can apply to all three in the application form. आपने कुछ separately नहीं भरना. In the application form itself, you just have to select which all scholarships you want and you're sorted.
क्या बात है यार. ये सुन के मेरा खुद का रीअप्लाई करने को दिल कर रहा है, डू माई सेकेंड MBA एंड इट्स लाइक अ 1 year course and you sorted. Great. One last question. अगर एक सैम्पल GRE GMAT स्कोर हो किसी बच्चे का 660 680 एंड ही इज़ रेडी विद GMAT GRE स्कोर एंड इज थिंकिंग मुझे अब्रॉड जाना है या मे बी आई अप्लाई टू वन ऑफ द स्कूल्स अब्रॉड नाउ. तो कई अब्रॉड स्कूल्स ने GRE GMAT वेव ऑफ ही कर दिया, यू नो, एंड गुड स्कूल्स, ऐसा नहीं है. बट ही इज़ लिटिल बिट ऑफ द बेंट ऑफ माइंड कि मैं इंडिया में भी ट्राई कर सकता हूँ. बट जितना सुना है मार्केट में कि ISB टेक 760 स्कॉलरशिप उनको ही मिलता है, 780 वालों को, एक कोई 800 को भी रिजेक्ट किया ISB ने. तो व्हाट्स योर मैसेज टू द 680 one? Genuine message to them.
Absolutely, very important question, Sumit. So a lot of students ask me not just 680 with 640, 650 also. Not just scholarship, guys. Your overall contribution to the class is very important. There are three broad categories that ISB looks for. Ultimately, ये समझ लो ISB को चाहिए क्या? 1 year MBA program, it's going to be rigorous. It's going to be, you will have to put in your 100%. So what we want is, do you have it in you to go through that grind, to go through that rigor? आपके पास 3 opportunities हैं उसे showcase करने की. Academic, professional या diversity angle. एक pool खेलता है बच्चा जो out and out पढ़ाकू, bookworm nerds. उनका academic history rock solid है. 10th, 12th, graduation score, aced it all. This is one league. एक दूसरी कैटेगरी होती है जहाँ पे they are hardcore executionist. Maybe average 10th, 12th, maybe average GMAT GRE. Now, when I say average, it is typically in the 650, 640, GRE is the 310. But उनका जो career graph है, irrespective आप कौन सी कंपनी में भी काम कर रहे हो. lot of people also ask me कि you know consulting background चाहिए, should I work in the big fours? You could be in a startup, but जो आप contribution कर रहे हो उस role में, उस organization में, that is more important.
Right.
Your role in that particular profile is more important. So this is the second bucket in which the audience plays. अपना profile build करो. आपने कहाँ से start किया, vis-a-vis आप कहाँ पहुँचे हो, in 5 years, 10 years, 2 years, अपना career progression दिखाओ. This is the second bucket where the audience plays. तीसरा bucket होता है ना पढ़ाई में एक्सीलेंट होंगे या ना ही ऐसा प्रोफेशनल कन्वेंशनल यू नो द 9 to 5 जॉब, बट दे कुड बी वेरी अनकन्वेंशनल प्रोफाइल्स. Like I have in my first round, I have somebody who's from the Shark Tank applied. I have a film director who's applied. In my current cohort, I have an Ajay Jairam who's a ace shuttler, world champion, ranked 13 badminton player. Next year, I have an IPL player, Prathmesh Singh, who plays for KKR. He'll be joining the cohort. You're a dancer, you are a mountaineer. We have 4Gs with 25 years of experience.
Wow.
They are in the class. So तीसरा bucket होता है diversity. You've nailed it. मतलब ऐसा profile है कि ISB wants you in the class because the kind of experience you bring, the kind of challenges you have seen, possibly the normal guys and the next door profiles like us, we don't have. तो आपके पास ये 3 bucket है अपने strengths को highlight करने का. किसी एक में तो टिक होना ही चाहिए. या तो academics में खेलो, या professional में खेलो, या diversity में खेलो. कोई एक bucket तो आपको ace करना है. If you are doing more than 2 or 3, the game is yours.
Game is yours. This is so amazing. Boys and girls, Say a big thank you to Richa and drop in your profile. अपने 10th के नंबर 12th के नंबर नीचे पुट डाउन करिए. If you're applying to ISB round 1, round 2, round 3 ऑलरेडी अप्लाई किया हुआ है, या if you're aiming for scholarship, कुछ भी तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन है नीचे कमेंट्स के अंदर करिए. I'll take the discussion forward. और थैंक यू लिखिएगा रिचा मैम को for joining us. Richa, this was lovely interaction and thank you for lowering out your guard and discussing in such a casual way to all these. I know you're a great personality, but we are humbled to have you on board today.
Pleasure all mine, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much for joining in. Take care, Richa. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye.